moment where you shoot. Hell, it looks good from here. Alright. What the hell is that?
Oh my God.
Oh, God damn.
Where did that bolt come from?
Fuck. We might have to back away from this son of a bitch. I'm just fucking with you.
Knock split and derailed my bow.
Alright, so as you've seen in the first little clip of the video, that was a video that Ryan sent me. Today is Sunday. We're drinking the Kill Cliffs, so it's Sunday. I can't remember the day. This is the day after it, or the morning that it happened. So we're going out here this afternoon to get it all put back together. Hopefully, we're going to go through the bow and check it out. So, you want to explain to the people what happened?
I didn't check one of my knocks, and I shot the bow. Knock broke in half when I shot. I was luckily shooting like 3 foot away from my bail, because I was shooting through paper just to check my tune, and I derailed the bow.
She grenaded. She's in the back seat. So we're gonna head down the Archer Shack. I don't know if the guys are there or not, but hopefully. I think they're gonna let us come in there and use their shop a little bit and put this thing together. So God bless them, and we're gonna let you guys see what's going on. So stay tuned. Here's the damage, boys. Slap derailed her. That's the importance of checking your knocks, but go ahead, boss man.
Yeah, so we're just gonna kind of check everything out. Look for cracks and everything, double check the limbs, make sure everything looks all right. Check the limb pockets, make sure there's no cracks.
You gonna take it all the way apart, or are you just gonna?
Probably just gonna throw the string on it and see if she holds.
Oh my God. Should be okay.
Luckily, the bow shot the arrow. The knock broke somewhere like halfway through the shot. I'm just gonna kind of go slow. I looked over the limbs. I can't see any cracks or anything. My string stops. Everything looks good still. So we're gonna see if we can
Get everything re-railed.
Yeah.
Probably going to have to put a twist or two in it, probably, I'd say.
Oh, yeah.
She definitely ka-chowed. You ain't got that arrow, do you?
Not with me now. Let's see.
You know how this thing laces up?
I'm just double checking everything.
Gotcha. Do you have a way to check and see if your cams itself are still straight, that they didn't bend or nothing like that? Because I have heard of when some of them derail, they'll bend the cams up.
Yeah, there should be a laser over there to check the cam lean.
Okay.
But I'll check it once I got it on the
Jaw board.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's kind of going slow.
So loading it back up. That is a pretty good, if this bow does hold together, that's a heck of a testament for a Mathews, because that thing,
yeah,
straight blew up, and it's looks to be good. What'd you do over here the other day that you finally got the bow to shoot correctly? You want to explain that whole scenario that you had to go through?
I was just getting a bad right hand tear with my center shot set exactly at 13/16, which is, you know, supposed to be dead center. So I set my center shot back to where it needed to be. I leveled my arrow, double checked my centering on my D loop and everything, put it 100% back to center shot off of measuring what center shot is supposed to be. And then from there, I just flipped my top hats because my cams were pushed way to the left side and I was getting the bad right hand tear. So I shifted my cams, I flipped my top hats and shifted my cams to where they were more to the right side and left my bow at the factory specs, and it shot a perfect bullet hole off of just basically center and everything.
Until you broke a knock.
And then 2 days later, a knock breaks.
So she's about to be loaded up, ain't she?
Yeah. I already know I gotta
Put some twist in her.
Yeah.
This is going to be what's going to probably take the longest time, is getting all your twist right and probably getting your timing back right, I'd say.
Yeah, that's why I got a tape measure, so I'm just going to measure it.
And a set of calipers. What'd you bring the calipers for?
Just double check everything.
Nice. All right, you can put some weight on it. Maybe if it does blow up, at least I'll get it on camera.
Let's see. No, I'm going to move that.
Yep. All right, she's back together.
Got the string on. I'm not sure how much twist I do have and don't have, so I'm just going to go ahead and check. Axle to axle. Make sure I'm 31 inches.
Which you're within
I'm right there at
you're
31
on.
inches.
You're
so
perfect.
We're going to put it on the draw board and try to pull it back and see.
Hopefully we don't owe him a whole new jaw board setup. This thing could chows. It shouldn't though.
Yeah.
She drew back. What kind of poundage did you just pull? £62.
Yeah, you're right.
Something's not right, is it?
I don't know. What's that screen there?
At least she drew back. There ain't no way that's 61 pounds. Looked to me like your timing on your rest was a little bit slow, but I could be wrong. We're going to have to dive into this thing and look. Whew. So we're going to put a little bit more twist back in it because you hit, what, 61 pounds?
62 pounds.
It's supposed to be...
Normally it hits about 74.
Oof. But you didn't make any noises. Much.
Just a little bit scary that first.
Oh yeah, especially after coming apart. We're gonna get her twisted up and see what she hits on the scale. Back to the drawing board here.
Literally.
Literally back to the drawing board. Oh, she's climbing in poundage now. Looks like it peaked at 68 with 11 pound of let off. 12 pound let off.
Yeah, normally I'm about 14 pounds.
More.
So.
She's quiet.
Yeah.
You're.
Let's look and see what timing.
Timing's good there. It's good there. So, what'd you have to do there, boss man?
I'm just getting the bow back to exactly 31 inches.
Okay, you did twist it up a little bit. And...
yeah, so what I've got right now is I don't have any weight on the bow. It's just lightly sitting. I'm just checking.
You a little bit under?
Yeah, I'm a little bit under right now, but we'll
put her back to 31.
Yeah. I'm gonna drop back, see how my peep and everything looks right here. We'll see.
Alright, we're in the testing grounds now. This is the first time it's been shot since it blown up.
We're gonna check the knock.
You ought to have some safety glasses on, bro.
Probably should.
Bear shafting it. God dang! After being blown up. Are you scared?
I was, yeah. I ain't gonna lie. She fletched them. Left helical fletched.
Oh, you fletched them left?
Yeah.
What's the point in that?
Well, I got about 4 foot away from my target. I put a mark on the top of my arrow and I shot. And then I seen what direction the mark went. So naturally, mine was to the left. So whenever I was shooting longer distances, I could see my arrow. It looked like it would hit a point and then like corkscrew, where it looked like it was correcting its flight. So I put on the left helical after shooting it, and then seeing that it naturally clocked to the left. So hopefully it won't stall out. We're going to see how it does.
Yeah. Boom! Shaking, bro. Where was that at? Oh.
It was right there. A little bit off. Let me.
Yeah.
I'm going to shoot again.
Yeah, well, you're in the place to work on it, so.
That was a little bit shaky.
$263.
263.
Okay. And then this is where the radial X-Wee we found laying on the side.
So 300 spine. I'm just kind of curious.
It's light. I can already tell that the sucker's
very
light.
light.
$304. Jesus.
That's cooking. Well, mine is 500 and let's see, 550, 540, 550 grains. So
I wonder what that one is right there.
not anywhere near that.
Good Lord, that thing's light. That's awesome. You want to check your third axis?
Yep. All right, so we're right in the middle on the bubble.
Nice.
With the bow, everything's level.
Nice.
The bubble on my sight is level.
Oh.
Now, breaker loose. All right, now we're level. What you want to do is check the bow leaning down now.
That it still stays level.
If that stays level, and then this stays level. If that's not level, that means your sight. So on CBE, you loosen it here, that means it's off.
I gotta
left
do that.
or right as it's facing down. So that'll throw your shot off left or right, whichever way you're out, if you shoot downhill or uphill.
I had no clue.
So that is third axis of mine. That's good.
I'll be damned.
I'm just checking everything that I can since the thing blew up. So
Get it right.
Also gonna check my center shot. Alright, I'm gonna get my center shot. So I'm a machinist, so I like to do stuff just absolutely perfect. So arrow diameter 242.
Divide it by 2.
Divide that by 2. 121. So I'm roughly 0.670, so I'm gonna add 0.670. Yeah. What was it? So 0.791. Roughly. I need to be 812.
Is what you need to be?
Yeah.
Now, how do you get that other than moving the rest?
I'll move the rest.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now, what if it knocks off your tuning? Or it ain't tuned yet, is it?
Not yet.
Okay.
But I'm within 20 thousandths
Which is stupid good.
of exactly 13/16 to arrow center.
Which you said is factory standard, right? Or like all manufacturer standard or something like that?
13/16 should be center shot for pretty much every bow.
Nice. I'll let you wrap this up right here, and then we'll go get you shooting it once you get it dialed in.
Alright, I got the bow set back 31-inch axle to axle. I set my rest to exactly 13/16 from the riser dead center of the arrow on. I do have the Mathews integrate rest, so as it is, if you can see it in the video, I'm right on the 0 mark. Right here for the height, it shows I'm just a little bit below, but that's because the whole rest moves up and I'm shooting a micro diameter arrow, right? So it's gonna not exactly be 0. So we're gonna see how this does.
Dang near a bullet hole. That is a bullet hole. It's close. God, it's close.
I'll shoot a bear shaft.
There a little bit. You got to tweak it a little bit more.
It's
very close. But we're going to wrap this video up right here, guys. So if you make sure to like and subscribe if you like videos like these. And we'll have more of this Mathews.
They can be blown up and put back in spec pretty quick and still shoot a bullet hole.
That's right. Come on.
Almost a bullet hole. We'll get it there.
Oh, yeah. We'll see you guys back out at the range.